Hello, hello! Welcome back to Tech Talk.
Ang podcast kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang future tech, trends, and how it affects our lives. I am Piper.
And I'm Alex. Today's topic is super relevant and medyo nakakakaba. Will AI save the Earth or finish the job we started?
But before that, let's have our little kamustahan with my co-host, Alex. How's been life lately?
I'm actually good, Piper. Bago natin simulan, kumustahin naman natin ang ating mga listener, mapa FB, YouTube, Spotify.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music. Yes, really. If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Again, welcome sa Tech Talk. But before we proceed to our main topic na pagchichikahan, pag-uusapan, pagchichismisan, background check muna tayo. Piper, anong chika dyan?
Alam naman nating lahat, hindi maganda ang track record ng humanity pagdating sa kalikasan. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and now, here comes AI. Question is, tutulong ba siya o lalo lang tayong ilulubog?
To help us answer that, kasama natin today ang apat na amazing guests. But before we proceed, let's play Guess the Guest. Our guest ay sobrang bigatil at sobrang hirap abutin. Ganun yung atake!
First up, she's a total boss babe, isang matatag at independent na dalaga kahit bata pa. Tinanggap na niya ang responsibilidad bilang magulang ng mga kapatid niya. She's the definition of strong older sister energy. That's right, she's Fiona Gallagher.
Hi everyone! Super passionate ako about this. Ready to go!
Tuwa, una pa lang yan pero parang nasa outro na tayo. Malata eh. Pero okay lang yan, wala pa nga tayo sa exciting part. Yung parang boses pa lang mapapa. Will you marry me? Yung grabe! But do you think siya lang ang ating guest? Kaya partner, ipakilala na ang susunod nating guest. Tao ba to? Hayop? Lugar? Game na!
Aba syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang queen bee ng North Shore High. She's manipulative, confident, and dangerously charming. Sa totoo lang, siya ang tipo ng tao na may hawak ng buong cafeteria at ng social hierarchy. Let's welcome Regina George!
Hi guys! Thank you for having me. Let's get into it!
Hindi magpapahuli at hindi magpapahuli ang ating mga guests.
Ito naman, the ultimate hopeless romantic. Isa siyang artistic at adventurous na binata na galing sa simpleng pamumuhay. Nakilala natin siya sa Titanic, full of passion, positive vibes, at willing i-risk lahat para sa love. Literal, kahit yung life niya. Jack Dawson!
Hey Tech Talk! Excited to be here! Laking topic to. Kailangan pag-usapan.
Ibang level talaga ang mga guests natin, parang kailangan talaga nilang pag-isipan ang bawat questions na ibibigay.
And finally, last but not the least, Atis Finch, isang abogado na prinsipyo, matalino, at may mataas na moral compass. Sa gitna ng racism sa Macomb, Alabama, siya ang boses ng katarungan. Ang single dad na pinapalaki ang mga anak niya na may empathy, integrity. He's not just a father, he's a role model. He's Atticus Finch!
Yo! Excited to bring each side of things. Let's do this!
Alam ko ba ako? Oo naman! Yes, loyal. Pa-cheeseburger ka naman. Maka-style ka na naman eh. Baka McDonald's Ultimate Cheeseburger lang talaga.
Alright, let's start with good stuff. Paano nga ba nakakatulong ang AI sa environment? We have here our guest, isang environment tech, Mr. Jack Dawson. And we have here sustainability writer and strategist, Ms. Regina George.
And also, we have here climate activist and techie, din si Fiona Gallagher. Magpapahuli ba sa pila ang ating resident AI developer and data engineer na si Atticus Finch?
Well, based on the study, malaki na ang improvement ng disaster management system mula sa manual methods papunta sa tech-based solution. Gamit ng GIS, remote sensing at ICT, mas mabilis na ngayon ang response team at coordination.
So, tama. Tama. So, like, optimizing power usage is super crucial nowadays kasi it helps reduce negative impact. And sa environment. And at the same time, nakakabawas ng gas sa operation. Plus, it makes sure na may trusted and long-term energy supply and just now, guys, but for future generations din. Thank you.
May bias ang ilang AI tulad ng pag-link ng man sa programa at woman sa homemaker, may gabay na rin para gawin ang makataong ang AI.
That's nice, pero syempre, hindi rin perfect ang AI. Let's talk about the downside. Ano nga ba ang environmental risk nito?
Let's be real. Malakas sa kuryente ang AI. Sa training pa lang, mas malaki na ang carbon footprint kaysa sa kotse. Tapos araw-araw pa rin itong gumagamit ng kuryente.
Oo, balig yung concern yan. Kaya nga may push ngayon for green computing, pero sa ngayon, hindi pa lahat eco-friendly.
And let's not forget, kapag ginamit ang AI para sa overproduction or mass consumerism, mas lalo tayong nagkakalat. Kung business as usual pa rin ang mindset, AI becomes just another tool of distraction.
Feeling pagod after mag-exercise? Uminom ng wet para hindi ma-dehydrate. Wet drinking water. Stay hydrated, stay wet.
So, it's really a double-edged sword. Nasa paggamit natin kung magiging hero o villain si AI.
Exactly. Kung ang goal ay sustainability, AI can be huge help, pero kung profit lang ang habol, disaster yan.
Let's go deeper. Paano naman ang automation? Mas pinapadali nga ba ng AI ang production? O pero mas consumption din ba ito ang epekto?
Oo, mas mabilis ang supply chain, mas mabilis din ang paglabas ng products, and usually, more waste din yan.
Pero kung gamitin siya to scale green alternatives like clean energy, pwede rin naman. It all depends sa value ng developers at policy makers.
Ang AI ay isa parang salamin. It reflect your intention. Kung gusto mo ng short terms, kaya niyang gawin, pero kung term, subality ang goal, kaya
Huy Mare, kumusta ka?
Eto Mare, mabuti. Wow Mare, ang puti mo na at ang kinis mo pa. Anong gamit mong sabon?
Siyempre Mare, alagang Rosemore Kagayako soap ako. Sa murang halaga, makakabili ka na, puputi at kikinis ka pa.
Rosemore Kagayako soap. Kuris porcelana ang dating mo. Mabibili sa saang sulok man ng Pilipinas.
Okay, last round. Lightning question. Will AI save the Earth or finish the job we started?
For me, it can save it. Pero we need good governance and ethics behind it.
AI is powerful, pero walang kwenta kung walang values behind it, so it's up to us.
Bilang kabataan, we have to stay involved. AI should include voice like ours, not just big tech.
I work with AI daily, and yes, it neutral, tao pa rin ang magdidikta kung saan ito patungo.
Grabe, I love that. AI isn't our savior. Tayo pa rin.
Thank you so much sa ating guest, Dawson, George, Finch, Gallagher.
And to our Tech Talk listeners, anong say nyo? Will AI help or hurt the Earth? DM us or tag us on socials with your thoughts.
Grabe, sobrang solid ng conversation na to. But don't forget to like, follow, and share this episode. Hanggang sa susunod, stay smart, stay grounded, and stay curious.